If you're building a one-page website on Squarespace, you are going to want to add some anchor links or some jump links to your header to allow your site visitors to navigate through your one page and find exactly what they're looking for. And I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. If you haven't already got a copy of my Squarespace website checklist, I'll leave a link to it in the description box below. It's completely free to download. And if you're building a website on Squarespace, you can tick off all the steps that you need to take on the back end before you launch. Now, if you're building a one-page website, you're going to want to add some anchor links to your header so that your site visitors are able to navigate through your one page. So before you go ahead and add your links, build out your page. And I've built out my one-page website here. So I have a hero section. I've got a little bit about my approach. Then I've got an about me section, a services section, an FAQ section, a newsletter section, and a contact section. So it has everything I need, and it has everything that my site visitors should need in order to make a decision on whether they want to work with me or not. But what they can't currently do is jump to a section that they might be interested in looking at. Currently, they just have to scroll through the whole thing. So I want to add some navigation links to the top here, but they need to be anchor links because I only have a one-page website and I don't want to link out to any other pages. So let me show you how to do that now. So I'm going to come out of preview mode. So the first thing we want to do is actually attach the anchor links to the relevant sections on our page. So let's click on the edit button and let's scroll down to the first section that we want to link to, which for me is my about section. So I'm going to hover over the section, click on edit section, and here where it says anchor link, I'm just going to name it about. So that's my anchor link just there for the about section. I'm going to do the same for the services section. So I'm hovering over the section, I'm clicking edit section and giving it an anchor link. So services, and then I want to link to my FAQ section as well. So I'm going to give this one an anchor link name too. And finally is my contact section. So I've got 4 here, and I want to edit the section all the way to the bottom. I'm going to call this anchor link contact. Okay, brilliant. So you'll notice as well that all the anchor links start with a hashtag rather than a /. So that's what we want to bear in mind when we actually attach the links to our main navigation. So now that I've given an anchor link to the relevant sections, I'm going to click save. And I'm going to come out of edit mode, and I'm just here in the pages panel of my website. So when you first log in to your website, you'll be met with this, and over here on the left, if you just click pages, which is under website, you're now on your pages panel. And now that you can actually add your links to the main navigation. So the first thing you want to do is here next to where it says main navigation, click on the plus icon. And we're not going to add a new page because we've just got a one-page website. But if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you have an option here to add a link. So click on the add link. And the first thing you want to do is give your link a name. And then remember, they start with a hashtag. So pop a hashtag and about. So this is my about section, and I want to link it to the about section on my page. So I'm going to click save. And you'll see it's now appeared in my main navigation. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for the other 3 sections, which were my services, my FAQs, and my contact. Okay, good. So I've added my 4 links up here in my main navigation. I'm actually not happy with how they're ordered, so I'm going to reorder them here on the left-hand side. So to do that, you just need to click on the one that you want to move and hold it down, and then you can drag it to the place that you want it to be. So if you want it to appear first, you drag it to the top. And then you can see my about section is now at the beginning. I want my contact section to be last, so I'll drag that one to the bottom. And let's just swap the services and the FAQ around. Okay, good. So I'm happy with the order of that, and I just want to check on preview mode that they do actually work. So click on this arrow on the top right hand corner, and let's start with the about link. Good, that jumps to the about section and the services section. Good. And then this FAQ one. Good. And the very last one is the contact. Excellent. So now adding the links to the header has given my site visitors the opportunity to navigate through my one-page website and jump to the section that they need to get to. So that's how you can add some navigation links to your one-page website on Squarespace. I'll leave a link to my Squarespace website checklist in the description box below. Be sure to grab your copy of that so you can tick along with all the steps. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you all the best with your website.